And now we're on the hunt for a lighthouse. Well, welcome to another day on the Daily Wander. Today we've made our way, 40 miles south of where we were yesterday. Maybe a little bit more. Got a little train noise. But today, we find ourselves on the Cape Cod Canal Trail, which is basically a trail that follows along both the north and the south sides of the Cape Cod Canal. Canal that was built back at the turn of the century, I think 1909, if I remember the sign right, by the Army Corps of Engineers. Basically cutting across the piece of land that goes out and forms Cape Cod. But real easy path. It's like triple wide. I believe it's paved the whole way. And today, we have a tailwind right now. Probably not going to last, however. So, big RV parks on one side here, the train's on the other side. See some boats traversing the canal. We'll go see what this is about today, here on the Daily Wander. I think those two are making use of the tailwind. But we've noticed there's a couple bridges over there. I guess that would make sense if you dig a canal separating a piece of land. But eventually you're going to have to build a bridge so that people can get to the other side. So I'm not sure. Well, that concludes our little wander on the Cape Cod Canal Trail on the north side. Didn't do a lot of filming on the way back because there's 20-mile-an-hour winds and the gusts are pushing past that, so it was more just a matter of, can we get done, get back? So real humid day for us. Humidity is probably 80%, 75 degrees, so that combination makes these Alaskans just a little bit sweaty. So thanks for coming along on this shorter trail on the Cape Cod Canal Trail down here at the beginning of Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Well, welcome to part 2 of today's Daily Wander. After wandering the Cape Cod Canal Trail today, we've made our ways a little further down the road to the Shining, what's that called? The Shining Path Bike Trail. Oh wait, we made our way down to the Shining Sea Bike Trail, which basically it makes its way down to a place called Woods Hole, which I'm not sure what that is, but I guess we're going to find out. We actually parked about halfway down the trail because sunset is coming and we don't want to get trapped in the wrong place. So we'll have to see if we get to the other end or not, but come along. right, we've reached the end of the trail down here in Woods Hole, which we are learning all sorts of stuff about. I guess we should have learned some of that before we got here. But big oceanographic place down here. And now we're on the hunt for a lighthouse. So we're off the bike path now, the official path. And now we're just riding through the town, the village, in hopes of finding a lighthouse. Well, we found our lighthouse. This is the Napska Lighthouse. I guess it's one of 4 that encompasses the Cape Cod area. A little bit of a side road, but kind of a nice little sight to come see. Again, the Napska Lighthouse. And then we get to come down this road, and I think we're going to go ride some rolling hills. Well, that wraps up our ride here on the Shining Sea bike path. We ended up doing, I don't know, 11, maybe 12 miles. Nice trail, kind of a nice end destination down there. The lighthouse, of course, was spectacular, kind of a final little thing for the day. So thanks for coming along on the Daily Wander as we continue to wander some of the bike trails back here in the northeast of the States.